we're going to Subic Bay Freeport to check out the Nike outlet there. I heard that they are on sale on the 14th, which is today, and then tomorrow. So let's go and have a look and see what they have to offer. At the Nike factory store at Subic Bay Freeport, and I heard that they have up to 60% discounts on all their sneakers, and they're always on sale, so I want to check out and see what they have inside. So let's go. So here we have all the Air Max, different kinds. So this Air Max Plus, Vapor Max Plus is now at 7,000 pesos, formerly at 9,445 pesos. So there's a 25% discount. This is the Air Max Deluxe. Price is at 6,746. So the original price is 8,995. Then again, 25% discount. I'm kind of surprised that the 720s are already on the outlets. So the price of this one is 8,995. With 25%, you will only get it for 6,746. We also have Vapor Max Flyknit. So this one, that's 9,895. Now it's at 7,421.25 with the 25% discount. So they have this. I have a Nike Day sneakers. I have this pair, but this one is in size 13, so it's kind of big. Now the price is at 7,100. Oh, the original price is 7,195. With the 25% discount, is at 5,396. Here we have the Vapor Max 2019. So it was released early this year. Original price is at 9,445. Now it's at 7,083. This is the Flyknit 3 Vapor Max. From the original price of 9,895. Now it's at 7,421. So again, 25% discount. This is also in the outlets. Another 720. This one is 8,995 with 25%, so it's 6,700. These are the Roshi 2. Now at the outlet, it's 5,058, formerly at 6,745. So 25% discount. This is actually nice. Nice fly net. So this Jordan 3s is a 30% discount. Original price is at 9,445. Now it's 6,611. This is the Jordan Superfly. This is a 30% discount once again. So this one is 5,036. Originally the price is at 7,100. We have few Jordan 33s over here. So I wonder what this colorway. Anyway, now it's 7,916. The original price is at 9,895. So 20% discount. This is another colorway. Same price, 20% discount. And I think this is one of the latest colorway. We also have the Jordan 33 low with the new fast feed system. So this is this is at the same price from 20% with the 20% discount. So now it's at 7,900. This is the other colorway which I actually have. I really like this pair, but yeah, now they're on the outlet at 20% discount. This is the Jordan Ultrafly. So now the price is 4,616. Originally it's at 6,595. These are the Superfly 2007. So this sneakers is at 5,036. Original price is at 7,100. Here we have the Air Jordan 1 Fly Knit. The price, original price 8,995. Now at 30% off, so 6,296. We also have the Jordan Pro, which was released early this year. Again, a 20% discount from 7,645. Now the price is at 6,116. We also have the LeBron Witness. This is white colorway. The price of these sneakers is 4,396. So it has 20% discount. LeBron Witness, different colorway. Looks like the Concords colorway. And they also have the Breads colorway. So both are below 5,000 pesos. Good for basketball. LeBron 16. I think this is the Buzz Lightyear colorway. So they have it here 20% discount. So the price is 7,916. This is actually a rare sneaker. This was a PE for Carmelo Anthony. So now it's at 7,556. Also the Jordan 10s from 9.4, now it's at 7,600. Orlando color. the Mambo range at 5,200. All black. Other Kobe sneakers. LeBron Soldier. This is the LeBron Soldier 12. So the price is at 5,396. Originally at 6,700. These are the Kyrie Flight Trap at 4,195. So here there's another colorway of the Kyrie Flight Trap. They actually have 3 colorways over here. All at below 5,000 pesos. If you're looking for a basketball sneakers, this is a place to go. Oh, another colorway. Boston Celtics colorway. Actually, there's more. I thought there's only 3, but there's a lot. Like 6. Ipan mo ako. Guys, they also have the foam post-it one here. They have actually 2 colorways. One in denim and one in this navy colorway with thumb. These are quite expensive sneakers actually, and they rarely go on the outlets, but I'm surprised that they have it here. So the original price of these sneakers are actually 11,245, and with 20% discount, now it's only at 8,900 pesos.